Let me tell you this. Hey, let me tell you this. Oh, let me tell you this. Hey, let me tell you this. Oh, let me tell you this. I'ma do what I do. So let me tell you what, I'm having some fun. So let me tell you this. I'm over here and I'm hanging out with everyone. And the people in the chat and they showing love and they showing some love to me. And let me tell you this, I'm doing my thing and I'm doing this on AB. Let me tell you this, hey, let me tell you this, oh, let me tell you this, hey, let me tell you this, oh, an entrepreneur, it'll be here, Shamika would say. Then the Shamika in the house is showing love, and she's showing love my way. Got the rhyme time at 816 in the house, so let me tell you this today. I'm over here just rocking the lights when I'm doing this thing my way. Saying, hey, so let me tell you this and that, I wanna go and have some fun. Say, hey, so let me tell you this right now, I'm coming out and hanging with everyone. Saying I'm doing this and I'm doing that, I wanna say your name today. Saying that everybody, let me tell you this today, and I got some words to say. So let me tell you this, oh, let me tell you this, hey, let me tell you this, hey, let me tell you this, oh, you remember Robert Jackson holding it down the summertime and he will go on that cruise. And I see the honor people just hanging out, but I'm here to just shout out you. Got the death major over there, she on them games, and sometimes she was reading the chat. So now you let me tell you this about the keeper come up, and I got your back on that. I said, hey, let me tell you this, oh, let me tell you this, hey, let me tell you this, oh, let me tell you this. Oh, so official Jamie Johnson Garner now, so let me tell you about her right now. She's over there just holding it down, so everybody get on down. Then I send a motion, the new soul in the house to sing with me. So then let me tell you about it, everybody in the house, and we doing it on that beat. So let me tell you this, oh, let me tell you this, hey, let me tell you this, oh, let me tell you this, oh, that even though I tell people I'm that J, they wanna say my name so wrong. Saying I'm doing everything like I'm at my home, but I'm not even on my cellular phone. But when I'm doing this and I'm doing that, I'm telling you what is on my mind. Sending everybody, yes, I got that business every day, and I'm not gonna waste that time. Saying, hey, let me tell you this, oh, let me tell you this, hey, let me tell you this, oh, let me tell you this, hey, let me tell you this, oh, let me tell you this, hey, let me tell you this, oh, so let me tell you this, hey.